Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to clean lock a screen on Windows 11 PC. For your information only, in case you have recently updated your Windows 11 PC, you will find a lot of widgets on the lock screen such as stock markets and this one weather widget, etc. You can see on your Windows 11 lock screen at the bottom. In case you don't need these all widgets and to you want to see a clean lock screen on Windows 11 PC, you need to click on this one start button, then click on this one settings. Under settings, select this one personalization in the left sidebar. On the right, scroll down and find this one lock screen and then click on this one lock screen option. Under this one personalize your lock screen, you should check this one. I will recommend you to uncheck this one also, that says get fun facts, tips, tricks and more on your lock screen. Along with this, you should notice this one lock screen status. You will see here weather and more is selected on your Windows 11 PC. Click on this one drop down menu and for a cleaner lock screen look, just select this one none option. This will remove all the widgets from your Windows 11 lock screen. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel Gear Up Windows, kindly subscribe it, and if you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.